Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this partner van. So this is our current partner van demonstrator. It's got 16-inch alloy wheels, rear parking sensors and a rear camera system. The back is ply lined. Up front you've got 3 seats, 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this there's air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. If this van's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.